Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, before we get into this story, I have to tell you this. What struck me especially when I was looking at this story is how unattractive the people of Edo State are, especially the men. And if you look at the two characters that we're looking at in this particular story, Oshiomhole and Obaseki, then you'll see exactly what I mean. Now, I don't know too many Edo women, but certainly, and I don't really know too many Edo people, by the way, I have to say that as well. But certainly, just citing these two people, they say sin is ugly, but these two people are uglier than sin. These two people are uglier than sin, but that is just an aside. That's just an observation that I made in the course of making this video. So with that, guys, I bring you this. Obaseki Oshiomhole feud. Mosquito can cause malaria. Governor replies APC boss. So that's the headline. Obaseki Oshiomhole feud. Mosquito can cause malaria. Governor replies APC. So now let's see what these Obatokpeye people have to say for themselves this time around. The alleged description of the political terrain of Edo State as a buzzing mosquito, which was made by Adams Oshiomhole, the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, has been given a reply. The response was given by the governor of the state, Godwin Obaseki, who, speaking on Friday, November the 8th at the Edo Women Summit, said that although he and his supporters may be mosquitoes, they, just like the creatures, can cause malaria. Obaseki said, "They say we are mosquitoes, but we will show them that mosquito can cause malaria. If you are not careful, malaria will kill you." Moreover, the governor at the occasion said that the state will not give birth to another generation of thugs, going by the amount of investment his administration has made in the area of education. He added that he has done his best in the state to ensure full political participation such that people do not need to be mobilized to attend political events. The governor said, "Edo belongs to all of us and not a few individuals. Edo is on the move and more things are coming. The fight we have been fighting about stable electricity will be won by next year." So that's his response. Meanwhile, it's been reported that Oshiomhole had accused the deputy governor of Edo, Philip Shiabu, of importing thugs following an attack on Obaseki. Obaseki was in the company of Oba Ikiolu when his convoy was attacked at the entrance of Oshiomhole's country home in Iyaho, Edo North. So now these are the goings-on in Edo State. As I said, these two rather unattractive, not pleasing to the eyes individuals having a scrap in the mud. But then, of course, Adams Oshiomhole has always been a clown. Now, if you contrast Adams Oshiomhole with the wife that he married, then you would immediately start to see the coloration of corruption in Nigeria. So, the wife that this guy married is the beauty queen of our country, young, vibrant, intelligent, educated, and has a peak of any man. And she's now married to this short, runt of the little man who has like some American type teeth. You know that he has a teeth that was bought from Dubai or America or something. What freaks me out the most about that Adams Oshiomhole are his teeth. So it was just a funny looking guy anyway. Short, stumpy, dark with glowing teeth. So he's just a weird looking creature. And then if you look at the wife, then you'd immediately see that a lot of money was spent in acquiring that woman, and that immediately then speaks to the corruption of the country. And then when you look at this Obaseki as well as another rather weird looking creature, then you immediately then start to speculate on what exactly goes on in that Edo State. Maybe it's some sort of inbreeding that they're doing there. I don't know their system over there, all these Bendel State people. Anyway, conversations in the comment section. Mosquito is now the analogy that they're using to beef themselves in Edo State. The short runt of the litter, Oshiomhole, and the weird-looking Obaseki are battling it out for the hearts and minds of Edo State. What says you? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video, then come tell me what you're making of what this beef is between these two weirdos in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join in the comment section, but here I say peace.